In this video, I'm taking a trip to the Pacific Northwest in the United States where I'll be doing some sketches and photography. Alright, so walking around Seattle this morning, probably gonna hit up the Space Needle, go get some coffee, and just take some photos around town. After that, we're gonna head up to Kerry Park to take in the skyline. Probably gonna sketch my postcard there, and then we're on the way to Portland. After shooting in the morning, we found a coffee shop to relax a bit, and I decided to sketch the espresso machine. With the first sketch done, we drove to Kerry Park where I drew the first postcard that I'll draw in the strip. I only draw the cards, I don't actually write them. After dropping off the postcard at the postal service, we hit the road headed towards Portland. Got a morning in Portland, so we're probably gonna go do some live photography, like sketches, before getting back in the car and heading back down the highway. A lot of driving yesterday, shouldn't be as much today, and I'm hoping I can get some good photographs and sketching in. After shooting, we found a cafe for breakfast and another sketch in my travel pad. After the sketch, we were back on the road again, and it wasn't long until the views got epic. In the morning, I found this grandfather clock in the B&B that we were staying at, and I just had to sketch it. The next morning, the weather changed very quickly. We all know the scene from Final Destination, right? Not today, buddy. A few minutes later, we were stuck behind a roadblock, so I used this time as an opportunity to sketch my second postcard. Once traffic cleared up, we headed into the redwoods.
These are huge, man.
Our bed and breakfast in Fort Bragg was quaint and perfect for the travel sketchpad. The views in California are just as epic as Oregon, and the roads are very, very windy. It makes a really fun drive. This is the last day of the West Coast trip. I think overall, I made some really fun sketches and I got some pretty awesome photographs. I'm trying to think back of like the really cool stuff that I saw. The redwoods was an absolute highlight. I think the Oregon coast is simply stunning. If you ever have a chance, absolutely visit the Oregon coast. Drive down. I've got a plane making a lot of noise. I don't even think you can see that. But yeah, the Oregon coast is simply stunning. If you ever have a chance, do visit that. Northern California, that coast is also stunning. It's just amazing to see how different nature is, how quickly it changes. Wild. And yeah, the coast, I think I'm a West Coast person now.